Hello friend, in today's lecture we will learn about function and how to define a function. To define a function we need to use the def keyword of Python. Suppose I am making a function namely add. So add is a function which is used to add two value and return the addition result of the two value. So what are the number of input we require two number of input. Okay, we require two number of input, namely x and y. Then we need to put a colon here, and in this body of function you need to write a code which will be helpful to return the addition value of two number. So now let's create another name. Let it be sum or s. S will return the value of addition result x plus y, and it will return x. Okay, this much is the code to defining a function which will add two number and return the addition result. Okay, now if we want to call this function, you need to call the function add and pass the argument, integer argument. Okay, let it be 3 and 4. Then it will return a value. Or what it will return? Sorry, this is s. 3 4, and this will return the return value s. S means it will take what is the now x value. X value is become 3 and y become 4. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7, and it will store in a s, and this s will be returned from the function. Okay, so this will result 7, but the return value, it is a return value, so we need to print this thing. The proper way is to print the addition 3, 4. Okay, so now this will give us 7. Now create another function which will return the square value, and it will take one argument, and it will return simply what it will return, x star x. So no need to create another, like in add function you are creating another variable s, but here also you no need to create another variable s. You can directly remove this line. You can check, so you can directly remove these two lines and return x plus y. Okay, so now this is code. If I put here 5 and 4, this will give me 9. Okay, now so this is also the similar function. We no need to create another variable inside, so directly return the square of the value. So if I put here square of 7 and keep it inside a square, and now I want to print this square, this will give me 49. So this is all about defining a function in Python.